Alright, so all injectors are bled completely. I've got fuel flow through the pump, even though it's leaking a lot of it. It's coming through the pump. I've got high pressure fuel coming out of the line. Literally, it'll spray as far as you want it to. But still no fire. And I've got a shit ton of smoke coming out of the blow-by, coming out of the fuel pump block off. Yeah, it won't do nothing.